Do you guys sell any records?
I have a few. I can bring them out if you want.
Yeah, take a look at them. Items with a pink flag are free. Look at Old Saint Nick. Soaking wet electronics. That's good.
Okay, thank you.
$25. Wow. That's high.
30 so 30, so 12 and 30, that's 42. And then the only thing else that you have is
some weights. These are cool. Is this structural? No. Everything's wet.
Yeah.
Sad. Actually, that one is structural. Don't move that one.
Oh, okay.
Holding it up.
That's the base.
The whole thing is.
Yeah. Spend it.
appreciate you waiting. Got a little bit of a rush going on here. So there is that. All right, and then hers. Well, he's
Some
got.
TPs.
He has.
Nike bat. $2 for the bats.
Okay. You got this and this and now he's got your teapot, your lighthouse.
And $2 a piece. That's T-ball.
That is, I've got 50 on it. I'll take 40.
I might have to.
Yeah, and that. You were here yesterday. Yes.
Where the first week?
Yes, that's right. I was looking at you thinking, I've seen you.
Alright, so I guess this is the second day of this sale. My I'm finding nothing. I should bail. Hit the next one. Get this bat and bail.
It's gonna dry.
I can see it right now with the heat.
Yeah.
Ma'am, just take your bat. $2.
Thank you.
Thank you. Morning. How you guys doing?
Good. How are you, sir?
Pretty good. Is that the guy who yells from his car?
What's that?
Is he the guy who yells from his car?
I guess so.
How much is that?
Yeah, that's
I see him every.
Other location.
I see him every weekend. He's out. He yard sells every weekend. I mean, I like his style. It's much easier. Just.
That's true. He says he could get out of the truck easily. So.
He might. Yeah, I might have like a leg issue or something. I don't know. But yeah, I do see him every weekend. He's always shopping. You guys had a lot of traffic?
Yes, it's been steady.
How are the other yard sales today? It looked like there were a lot.
It's been pretty crazy, actually. Like a lot of people at all of them. There was one that was a weird outlier who said they had no one all day in Apex. It's like, okay, weird.
If there's anything you're looking for, let us know, because we probably have it and didn't bring it out.
Video games?
That we don't have.
Squishmallows? Squishmallows? The little plushies? It's my kids collect them. So I always ask.
Is that something kind of new?
Yeah, it's kind of new, yeah.
Yeah, we went through, what did we go through? Care Bears, My Little Pony, all kinds of stuff that we probably do still have.
Beanie Bear.
Yeah, my kids collect those too, but I already got them a whole tote full today. I don't want any more.
Everybody
We
needs a
do know
raggedy
stuff.
Ann.
This is probably broken, right? With the battery acid, right?
That I don't know.
Is it not working?
Well, I can see battery acid, so I think the battery's probably exploded in there.
Oh.
So what I've done with that is taken this apart
Yeah.
on other items.
Yeah, yeah.
Put a little bit of white vinegar in there to
Okay.
help remove the corrosion,
Okay.
and then that'll give you a 90% chance of
Okay.
it being able to conduct energy.
Take a buck.
Yeah. Do you
Okay.
like video the yard sale?
I do. Yeah.
And then you just kind of.
I have a YouTube. No, I have a YouTube channel actually.
And what do you do with it?
Just show people what I find.
Oh, that's so cool.
So basically, it's like American Pickers kind of, but way less professional.
Nice.
So
That is
yeah,
good.
yeah.
That's fun.
Very cool.
So yeah, they like to see like all the finds and stuff. So
Yeah.
you know, I try to point it kind of down, so I'm not like getting the people. I'm just getting all their
Right.
stuff, and
Yeah.
people tend to not mind.
Well, hey,
Where's
put it out and
Sopoly's
tell them
kinda
we're
cool.
here.
Yeah,
Just come on and get your stuff.
yeah. Yeah, it takes me a couple weeks to go live with them though, just because I got to edit the footage and all that.
How old are your kids?
I have a 7, an 11, and a 13.
I don't know if they're willing to sit still, but these are actually very, very nice. I think they came from an education store. If they would
Really?
sit still to do them. I don't
Yeah,
know. I
I've
should
got-
have shown those to the teachers.
ABC, yeah, teachers would like them. And my daughter does like to do that sort of stuff potentially.
We've kind of gone through a bit of craft stuff. I'm trying to think. Yeah, we do have toys and stuff in the attic still, but
Music.
we had to draw the line somewhere. When
Yeah.
we went all out here.
No, I get you.
Now the sun's creeping on us. That's not good.
Oh, what about Rubik's cubes? You got any Rubik's cubes?
I think he snatched the ones that we had.
Oh, someone did.
Put in his pocket, Rob did.
Oh,
Yeah.
You gotta save it for
Yeah, no.
posterity.
my son, he just like, he really is looking for unique Rubik's cubes because the plain one he can solve in like 40 seconds now.
Oh, so we
Yeah.
need something that's more.
He needs something harder, like a new shape or something. So I always look for unique ones.
We used to have
Try to find him one.
that was unusual, but I can't remember exactly what it was.
I got him this one called the Impossible Rubik's Cube at Walmart, and it changes, like the stickers change color as you turn it. So it literally is impossible. He can't beat it, and he gets so mad at me.
I'll tell you what I love.
What's that?
A progressive word spin game.
Huh.
Kind of interesting if he's into letters. and
maybe,
words.
yeah, okay.
Yeah, it goes in this little pouch.
And you just spin it around and you get to the... Oh, it's magnetic. That's cool.
Yeah,
Hmm.
I haven't read the rules to it, but it looked intriguing.
You guys selling any,
Lava lamp?
actually have a level line.
Okay.
Do you guys sell any records?
I have a few. I can bring them out if you want.
Yeah, take a look at them.
Pretty good.
Yeah.
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 Sold quite a bit.
Tools go, though.
Yes, tools go quick.
Where would you like me to put them?
Yeah, that's fine.
Here.
Look at that. Right out the old records, huh?
Mm-hmm.
Springfield. Commodores.
I kind of feel like the good ones might be gone. Like I know I went to a record store one time.
Yeah, probably, but they're all good.
Yeah, they are. They are.
I have a record player. I have 2 record players, actually.
I mean, the legend.
Lionel Richie.
$5.
What do you got down here?
What would be really cool is to have a shoebox.
That would be cool. Yeah, the 45s are kind of annoying to change out every 3 minutes or whatever.
Yeah.
Bette Midler.
That's how I used to buy.
Yeah.
A lot. If I had one song that I really liked,
Yeah, and you just put it in, and
I would buy.
but they don't even restart themselves, so you can't even put it on repeat.
Yeah, you always do need it.
It's like an event.
Well, and people do cool things with those.
Yeah.
You know, that are not. I
Yeah.
can't even remember what I've seen, but I've definitely seen some art things done
Yeah,
with those.
that is true. Yeah, they'll like paint them and hang them like in
Yeah.
chains. I've seen that.
I think my daughter put some
Yeah.
on her wall just for decoration one time.
We're asking about the duvets and the sizes.
What would you do on the records?
What do you think? Any ideas? I'll take an offer. I'd like to take them all.
Take them all. $10.
Okay.
This too, or that's how much
Yeah,
is that?
That's fine.
$10. Okay. You want to keep your crate? Let me. I'll put them in my van and bring the crate back.
Unless
Or you don't want
it.
the
I mean,
crate.
it's broken
Okay.
Anyway, so.
All right. Let me give you $10 then.
Okay. So.
Here you go.
All right.
Thank you.
Yeah. Can you tell me how big are the?
Oh. Just look at these really quick.
Every little girl loves a snow globe.
I know. What does she want for these? Do you know? You don't
I
know?
think she said The bigger one's like $2.
$2 a piece.
Yeah.
I'll take them both. $4. They are so glittery. 2. Okay, cool. Impressed by these two. How about the recorders?
Recorders, I'd say $1 a piece.
$1 a piece.
That's Mr. Minor times 3 plus 1, right? Yeah.
So does that mean?
They're in good shape.
Yeah, I'll do these 3. Gonna run into that single problem again?
That's all right. I'll just get more from her.
Oh yeah, no.
She's got the fanny pack.
We're okay. 1, 2, 3.
You daughter like horses? Wouldn't she love horses?
I was considering it. I've been considering it this whole time.
Horseopoly?
The problem with any type of Monopoly is I will end up having to play it, and it
Yes,
always
you
takes
will.
6 hours.
Sorry, that we cannot solve for you. That we cannot help you
It's
with.
just too long of a game. All right, cool. Thank you guys. I think I'm good.
Okay. Thanks for visiting.
Yeah, no
Appreciate
problem.
it,
Good luck with the rest of your sale.
This weekend.
Hey guys, thank you so much for coming with me to those yard sales. I think, you know, it was kind of turning out to be crummy. It was the end of the day, and I figured I'd take a long shot and ask if they had records, and man, did it pay off. She brought a bunch of great records. Some I'll probably keep and listen to, and then some I'll list, and you saw the prices varied on those, and I will say with records, condition matters, so you do need to make sure you grade them properly, or just don't grade them at all and say ungraded. You'll get a little less money, but less complaints as well. If you guys enjoyed that, make sure you check out this video next, where the daughter kind of gives me sky-high prices, but the mom comes in and saves the day.